So today we're going to be looking at the inside of a chicken's egg. This is an unfertilized egg, so no baby chick. On this worksheet it says an egg has many parts. Each part helps the chick grow. We're going to color the egg and cut out the word cards, fold the word cards on the dotted lines, and glue them in the correct places. So we are going to dissect a chicken's egg, a real egg, and we're going to take a look for the following parts. The shell, which is the hard outside part that protects the chick. The yolk, which is the yellow part that is food for the chick while it grows. That's right in the center. The air space or air sac, this inside part here has air for the chick to use. And what we call the egg white, this part keeps the chick safe and is its food as well. So as we dissect this egg, let's look for all those bits and pieces. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to crack the egg very carefully so we can pull it apart as gently as we can. A little tricky to do. There it goes. And try and slide this egg out in as one piece as possible. Okay. If we take a look at the inside of the egg, it's a little hard to see, but right here, it got cracked a bit. Right here, there's a little air sac or a little air pocket where air would be in, trapped at the bottom of the egg there. And the egg actually has what's called a membrane through the whole inside. Let's see if we can get the membrane off, but the membrane's kind of like this rubbery plastic part. So that's the egg membrane. And of course, the shell itself. And then on the egg, the clear part here we can see is the egg yolk. And if we can zoom in, I'll point to it right here, this little white part. That little white part right there, we call that little curly part the chalaza. And the chalaza kind of holds the egg yolk to the shell. Might be another one up on the top here as well. There's another part of the chalaza. And that is kind of like almost like a soft spring that curls up and it holds the yolk onto the shell itself. Of course, the yellow part we know is the egg yolk, because when we tend to cook and eat eggs, we know of the egg yolk and the egg white. We call it egg white because when we cook it up, it turns white. Right now it's clear. The egg yolk is food for the baby chick. The egg white helps protect the baby chick and is also food. The little white squiggly parts here, the chalaza, so I can pull it right off. The chalaza there helps attach the egg yolk to the inside of the egg. The shell helps protect the baby chick. And there's also this membrane, this rubbery part that's on the inside of the egg. And at the bottom of the egg, underneath this rubbery membrane, is the air sac. And those are the parts of an egg. So let's go back to the worksheet and take a look at it. So we've got our white, yolk, air space or air sac, and shell. We don't have anything describing the chalaza or the membrane, but we do have these four things, so we're going to cut those four out. And we're going to fold these ones here on the dotted line. I'm going to put a little glue stick right where it says paste. It says this part keeps the chick safe and is its food, and it's pointing to the egg white. I can match the word white with the word white, so I know this piece is going to go here. It says this inside part has air for the chick to use. We know that is the air space or air sac. This hard outside part protects the chick. Well, that's the shell. Here's the word shell. And the last one, I only have one left. This yellow part inside is food for the chick while it grows. That's the yellow yolk. And so while it comes to coloring this egg, the only part I really need to color is the yellow yolk. And there we go, I've completed my worksheet. An egg has many parts, each part helps the chick grow. Color the egg, cut out the word cards, fold the card on the dotted lines, glue them in the correct places. Don't forget to put your name